Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. I am Crypto Maximalist. Thank you very much for joining me again for another daily update on Polygon. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below for the comment section. Really helps out the channel. And today we're taking a look at Polygon on a daily time frame. As we can see, very much looking like we might be closing down below this big key level of trendline support here, which is obviously pretty damn bearish for Polygon in the immediate short term. As I said in the previous video, if we do start to close down below this support, we could easily come down towards that 50-cent level for another retest. Obviously, Bitcoin chopping sideways and looking quite bearish has been capitulating the price of Polygon. As we can see, we've been coiling for a long time in this coiling motion here like this. The false breakout, the back test of support, and now we might see ourselves coming down lower like this. If Bitcoin doesn't have a big reversal from the situation it's in currently, we are going to be seeing more downside for Polygon most likely. Unless we see Bitcoin do something huge, pumping the price of Polygon massively right now, we are going to be looking at some downside, I think. In terms of the technicals right now, we are waiting for Bitcoin to save the day.